Thank you for tuning into this video today. Today we are going to do a quick video on a healthy snack idea. Now I did get this idea from Pinterest. Sorry, I don't know who created it, but anyway, we are going to start off with 70% cocoa powder, or not powder, chocolate. If I say it wrong, I'm sorry, but it's damn 70% dark chocolate and some nuts and green apple. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to put some chocolate in a bowl, and I was trying to figure out the perfect timing for this. I did burn the chocolate the first time because I put it in too long. So 30 seconds was actually not enough. I would say about 45 seconds is the perfect timing. Also, I found this hiccup. So I don't know what is the best way to take a quart out, but the video that I saw, I don't know how the hell she did this. I was trying to do it but couldn't, so I ultimately failed and ended up just using this. So in some there are slices, and then in some there are some apple rings, but this was just the easiest way to not chop my fingers off. And here is the first attempt at the chocolate. I did like 30 seconds and then 45 seconds, and I burnt the shit out of the chocolate. I didn't even know that was possible. But anyway, trial and error, don't make my error. So here you can see a little bit of the burnt chocolate with the apple, but basically you want to melt the chocolate. 45 seconds is the way to go. And then dip your apple slice in there and then add the mixed nuts. Here I was just trying it. So I was trying to be healthier. I'm not really a dark chocolate person, but honestly, at the end of this recipe, I was actually genuinely shocked, but I'll give you my live update. But anyway, you're gonna put that in the fridge for a little bit. It says the freezer, but I did the refrigerator, and I think I left them in there for like 30 minutes. Ended up being perfect. I had my husband try it. He absolutely loved it. But here's my thoughts.
Okay, I had to come outside real quick just to give you an honest opinion about this. So first of all, I burned the chocolate the first round, so I wanted to make sure I tried it. Second of all, how do you burn chocolate? I don't know. I guess when I was warming it up, it was too much. So 45 seconds is the perfect amount of time to warm the chocolate. Second, this is 70% cocoa, and it is dark chocolate. I am not a dark chocolate fan, but it's healthier for you, supposedly. Overall, it is really good. The only thing is, one, I'm not a dark chocolate person, so yeah, I'll have to grow on it. But two, I burnt the damn chocolate, but the other ones taste good. So let me know if you try it.